What if I told you that you could save 10 hours every single week using free AI tools? No expensive subscriptions, no coding, just simple tools that help you finish work faster. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can make your daily tasks much easier. Let's get started. We all spend too much time writing emails, searching for information, taking notes, or creating content. The good news is that AI can do a lot of these tasks for you. The best part? Every tool in this video has a free version, so you can start using them today without spending any money. Let's jump into the first tool. The first tool is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant that never gets tired. You can ask it to write emails, summarize long articles, create study notes, generate ideas, explain difficult topics, or even help plan your day. For example, instead of spending 30 minutes writing a professional email, you can simply tell ChatGPT what you want to say, and it creates a polished version in seconds. If you're a student, it can explain topics in simple English. If you're a content creator, it can generate video ideas, captions, and scripts. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to start, you already have a first draft ready. That's a huge time saver. The second tool is Canva AI. Many people think Canva is only for designing posters. But now, it includes AI features that can create presentations, social media posts, resumes, and even images with just a simple description. Imagine needing an Instagram post. Instead of designing everything from scratch, just type what you want, and Canva creates a beautiful design in seconds. You can also resize your designs for different social media platforms with one click. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or small business owner, this tool can save hours every week. The third tool is Grammarly. Have you ever sent a message and noticed a mistake right after clicking send? Grammarly helps prevent that. It checks your spelling, grammar, and sentence clarity while you type. It also suggests better words to make your writing sound more natural. Whether you're writing assignments, emails, LinkedIn posts, or reports, Grammarly helps you write faster and with more confidence. Instead of proofreading everything yourself, the tool catches mistakes instantly. The fourth tool is Notion AI. If your notes are scattered everywhere, this tool is for you. You can keep your tasks, study notes, meeting notes, and project plans all in one place. The AI can summarize long notes, create to-do lists, and organize information automatically. Imagine attending a 1-hour meeting. Instead of spending another 30 minutes organizing your notes, Notion AI does it for you. It keeps everything neat and easy to find. The fifth tool is Google Gemini. This AI assistant is great for research and brainstorming. You can ask questions, compare ideas, create travel plans, summarize information, or even prepare interview questions. For example, if you're preparing for a job interview, simply ask Gemini to create common interview questions and sample answers. If you're planning a vacation, it can create a complete travel plan within minutes. Instead of opening 20 different websites, you get everything in one place. That saves both time and effort. Here's a bonus tip. Don't use just one AI tool. Combine them. Use ChatGPT to write your content. Use Grammarly to improve it. Use Canva AI to design it. Use Notion AI to organize it. Use Gemini for research. When these tools work together, you'll finish tasks much faster than using them separately. That's it for today's video. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more free AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.